Hi guys, welcome back to Crazy Patrick's channel. Today I received a box from Banggood, and actually they reached out to me and asked me if I'm able to do reviews, and I told them for sure. So they shipped me this. So this will be my first review from one of the Banggood's products. And it's a RC truck, broke plus 14H, says on the top of the box. It's an Eachine Eat01. So Eachine Eat01 master hand, and I could pick between 3 different models, so I choose this one. Looks like this. The car is not so expensive, so it's more like a children's or like a toy rather than a regular RC car. You know, depends on everything depends on what the price is. All right, so let's have a peek inside. Says here 6-wheel drive, strong motor, 7.4 battery, 2.4 GHz remote control. It's got a camera as well. Oh, the weight is 2.3 kilos, so well, it's quite sturdy. It's packed well. So the charger and a screwdriver, the controller, 2.4 gigahertz, feels okay. Can trim it as well. I need batteries. Let's see if I can open this one. Yeah, 3. Okay, a manual. So I will put everything down in the description as well, so you guys can check it out, and also running through on the screen while I'm talking. And yeah, this is the truck. It's pretty cool. See if we can find any way to charge it. Bang! Good. Okay, so I found where the battery is. It's up here. So let's charge this one and then put in batteries in the controller and try this one out. Well, I'm pretty impressed. It's a cheap product, but it looks pretty cool. I like it. Let's see how it runs. I'll be right back. So the cost for this one is only $49.11. That's nothing. And actually, if you check down below in the description, you will find discount on this as well. So 10% discount and more information as well. So check down below to find more about this amazing RC tank or truck. What do you guys call it? Comment down below. And in Sweden, where I'm living at, this one costs me, or not me, but it will cost you guys that live here 466 kronor, so Swedish crowns. And actually You know this company called Wish? This is like a huge upgrade. So the Wish products, they're okay ish, bit cheap, but on Banggood you can find everything, and there's no tax and customs when it arrives to your country. So that's pretty good. But if you buy this same product, let's say you find it on Amazon and you want to buy it from US or some other country, you have to pay taxes and customs for it. So that's good to know. So big thumbs up to get Banggood. I am doing this. Right, let's carry on. So the thing is with Banggood is that they have a lot of products, and you can use different types of shipment options, and I would suggest to use the regular one, which is the cheapest one. It will take a while, but the transfer of this item, I think they won't fly it. It will go by boat and so on, which is better for the world. Patuszki, patuszka. What? No, sorry, wrong one. So it's charged up, but there is one thing, and it's I'm just gonna put a record on my GoPro here. There is no camera with this unit. You have to buy it. So check for it on the web page, on the site, and actually you just put it here. So the camera slots in there, and it's on Wi-Fi. But I've got a GoPro, so I'm gonna put a GoPro on the roof, and let's take off and test this one out. Okay, so let's try this one out. Sorry. Well, it's not fast. Well, it works fine. It's not fast, but as you know, this is not an RC car, it's a machine. Yeah, so I'm gonna take this. It's the weather is so here now in Sweden. It's not raining, but it's almost coming. Okay, but outside here, the road is the concrete is a bit rough. So I'm gonna take it out and try it out there, and maybe out back here work, see in the forest if it goes there as well. So let's try this one out. So I recharged it, took off the GoPro camera, and it climbs very well. So it did work. It was just the camera that was pulling it down. So nice job. I like it. I do.